Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration or screen on time duration on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button right here. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And once you see it, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll through the menu and find the option called the display and brightness. After you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option called screen on. No, my bad, sleep, this one. By default it's gonna be set to auto, but you can tap on the sleep option, and here we have the list of durations, and we have auto, 10 seconds, 15 seconds and 20 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds, tap on OK, it's changed to 10 seconds, so now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch my watch for 10 seconds, the screen should turn off automatically to save power. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.